In this video, learn how to turn off screen mirroring on your Mac so that other Apple devices can no longer mirror to it. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and open System Settings. Once you're in the System Settings, select General from the sidebar. Then click on AirDrop and Handoff. Here, you'll see a setting called AirPlay Receiver. To disable screen mirroring, toggle the AirPlay Receiver switch to off. When you turn off the toggle, a pop-up message may appear asking you to use Touch ID or enter your password to confirm the change. That's all you need to do. The steps are the same for MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, and iMac. Screen mirroring is now turned off, and your Mac will no longer accept AirPlay connections from other devices. If you ever want to turn it back on, follow the same steps and toggle the switch back on, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the free tech guide for more new tips and tricks.